videos. So we got this new Vax spot wash. I want to see how well it does with these carpets. See if you can bring it up nice and clean looking for us, maybe get rid of some stains, who knows. So we're going to get started and I'll show you what the outcome is. Okay, so we've done the driver's side. Might be worth putting up some before and afters. At the moment it doesn't look too hugely different. Maybe a lot of dirt did come out. Annoyingly, this stain wouldn't budge. So it hasn't worked well there. Done the under carpet and the over carpet. I mean, there's no doubt loads of dirt came out, so it is cleaner. So that's a good thing, I suppose. We'll see how well it does this boot now. See if it brings it up any nicer looking. And no doubt again, loads of dirt will come off, but how good will it bring this up? So we'll see. You can see it seems like it's a bit more. Should I say it's made a lot more of a change here in the boot so far. That's the difference in the carpet. So this strip here is what I've done compared to what was there before. That's how much dirt has come out. So this Vax does work well getting the dirt out. However, it seems like stains like that are not going to go anywhere, unfortunately. I'll keep trying. But yeah, I mean, you can see a difference in what's been cleaned and what hasn't. So that's quite good. So we've done the boot now. Definitely looks a much better carpet than what was here before. Unfortunately, that stain just won't go nowhere. But so far the Vax is quite good. And the amount of dirt that came out shows how much actually was in this carpet. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. Right, let's carry on. So moving on to the passenger side rear. Let's see how we can get this looking better. Ooh, that don't look nice, does it? I wonder what the Vax will be able to do to that. Right, let's have a go. How much dirt we've got out so far. Just the results. That's the overmat. That's the undermat. Unfortunately, this stain ain't going nowhere. So it seems like the Vax is very good with keeping clean, but where it already is dirty and stained, it's doesn't seem to have the power to do it. Okay, we'll move on with the front passenger. What would be really nice, for me anyway, is if you can get this overmat looking much cleaner. In fact, that ML55 embroidery looking maybe a bit more whiter. So let's see how well the Vax can do this bit. So this side's doing really well as well. I mean, you can see the difference between the carpet here that I've done and the carpet that I haven't. The colour difference. And you can see how much dirt has come out so far. This tank is now full, so I now need to clean that out so we can carry on. So it's looking good, so very happy with how this has come out. Again, stains that have been there for a long time, it seems impossible to remove, but it is cleaner. And we did a whole tank of dirt and we've still got another load there. Let's see how it gets the over carpet out. An overview, we've cleaned this side, which actually I think this does look a lot better now. It's still got some stains on it though, as we can see, but it does look better. And the amount of dirt that came out was ridiculous. So that's been done. This side's been done. Evil stain on both there and underneath, but the Vax wasn't clever enough to remove that. We've done the boot. And going around to this side. Let's see the driver's side. Once again, as I said, stains that were previously there, the Vax wasn't clever enough to get that out, which is a bit of a shame. But at least I know the carpets are clean now. Definitely going to try this on my other cars, do the CLK as well, I think. But yeah, overall, good device. And it definitely got the carpets cleaner than they were. Is it 100%? Definitely not. I'd probably give the Vax machine sort of like 70 out of 100. It's a bit disappointing that it can't deal with these major stains. That's it. Another job done, and on the cheap as well. The ML has got its new identity, so that it looks happy sitting next to its brother, sister, whatever. We've got LGZ 5826 for the CLK, LGZ 5827, the new identity for the ML. So I think that makes a nice fitting pair now. In their corner, in the shade, out of the sun.